Hello friends, how are you? In this lecture of aldehydes and ketones, today we will see how to solve multiple choice questions. Suppose question is like this: aldehydes and ketones are, and in this question, a relation is asked in between aldehydes and ketones. And what type of relation is present in aldehydes and ketones? We know that what are aldehydes? Aldehydes are a first oxidized product of primary alcohol. Example of this, I will take acetaldehyde. Second, propionaldehyde. What is molecular formula of propionaldehyde? Here it is C3H6O. Now take isomer of this having same molecular formula and a compound with same molecular formula. Suppose acetone. How many carbon atoms? 3 carbon atoms, 6 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen. Here molecular formula of propanol, that is propionaldehyde, is C3H6O. Molecular formula of acetone is C3H6O. Molecular formula is exactly same. But what is the difference? So here difference is about functionality. In case of aldehyde, this is aldehydic functional group, and here it is a ketonic. In ketonic, carbonyl group is surrounded by 2 alkyl groups. यहाँ पे 2 alkyl group है, और यहाँ पे this carbonyl group is surrounded by 1 alkyl group and 1 hydrogen. Molecular formula same, but there is no isomer, there is no functional isomer for acetaldehyde, isn't it? So here molecular formula same, but different in what? Functionalities. So what is the answer? Functional isomers. Answer is functional isomers. Next, aldehydes and ketones are distinguished by. Aldehydes and ketones are distinguished by. And how to differentiate aldehydes and ketones? Again, we can take example acetaldehyde and acetone as a ketone. So इन दोनों को डिफ्रेंशिएट कैसे करना है? प्रैक्टिकली हाउ टू डिफ्रेंशिएट दिस टू? Aldehyde, here it is aldehydic functionality, here it is ketonic. Remember, whatever hydrogen is attached to this carbonyl group, this hydrogen is said to be oxidizable. इसे ऑक्सीडाइजेबल हाइड्रोजन कहें, यानी इसका ऑक्सीडेशन हो सकता है. सो बाय यूजिंग टोलेंस रिएजेंट, बाय यूजिंग फेलिंग सॉल्यूशन, by using Ship's reagent, all these are oxidizing agents. Since oxidizable hydrogen is present in aldehyde, so इसका oxidation possible by using Tollens reagent. Now question arises that what is a Tollens reagent? A Tollens reagent क्या है? Tollens reagent यानी ammonical solution of what? Silver nitrate. Tollens reagent यानी ammonical solution of silver nitrate. Now what is the failing solution? Failing solution, it is the combination of failings A and failings B. Na, here it is combination of aqueous solution of copper sulfate and sodium, potassium tartarate. एक कॉम्प्लेक्स है. व्हाट इज स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ दिस कॉम्प्लेक्स? इसका स्ट्रक्चर क्या है? the structure of this complex. ये सॉल्ट है सोडियम और पोटेशियम का. यहाँ पे एक कॉम्प्लेक्स यानी दिस कॉम्प्लेक्स and a failing solution. This is failing solution. Third one, Ship's reagent. This reagent is made up of manjet, that is rosa-aniline hydrochloride, and structure of this Ship's reagent is, इसका स्ट्रक्चर है this is also oxidizing agent. So this compound and a Ship's reagent, this is also oxidizing agent. So by using all three, we can distinguish aldehydes and ketones. So answer is all these, isn't it? Next, aldehydes are first oxidized product of, it is very simple. I will take ethyl alcohol as a primary alcohol. Oxidation of this, what is source of this nascent oxygen? Acidified solution of what? Potassium dichromate. अभी इसका oxidation, so this nascent oxygen will combine with this hydrogen, then shifting of this bond here, then removal of one more hydrogen, and a removal of these two hydrogen atoms. And we know that a removal of hydrogen and oxidation, so this is oxidation, and here product is acetaldehyde. Further oxidation of this, it gives acetic acid. Aldehyde के बारे में पूछा है. What is aldehyde here? So this is first oxidation, and aldehyde is the first oxidized product of primary alcohol. ये primary alcohol है. This is a primary alcohol. A carboxylic acid, a acetic acid, this is second oxidized product. This is the first, this is second. So here it is about question is about aldehydes. So answer is primary alcohol. क्योंकि कीटोन इज द फर्स्ट ऑक्सीडाइज्ड प्रोडक्ट ऑफ सेकेंडरी अल्कोहल. अगर क्वेश्चन इज रिलेटेड टू कीटोन, सो कीटोन इज द first oxidized product of secondary alcohol. So here is question is about what? Aldehyde. So it is a primary alcohol, isn't it? Now next, ketones are first oxidized product of, definitely answer is secondary alcohol. क्योंकि primary alcohol it gives aldehyde, और टर्शियरी अल्कोहल ऑक्सीडेशन अल्किन में होगा, इट गिव्स अल्किन. दिस इज इररिलेवेंट कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड, इट इज रूल्ड आउट. सो आंसर इज सेकेंडरी अल्कोहल. एंड explanation of this, I will take isopropyl alcohol as a secondary alcohol. Again nascent oxygen, what is source of this? Acidified potassium dichromate. Same. shifting like this, removal of this. And here formation of acetone. Formation of acetone. Further oxidation of this, it gives acetic acid. याने कीटोन is the first oxidized product of secondary alcohol. A secondary alcohol है. So what is answer? Answer is secondary alcohol. Answer is secondary alcohol. Next, acetone and diethyl ketones are distinguished by. This is very interesting question. Acetone and diethyl ketone. In laboratory, how to distinguish these two compounds? Both are ketones. So Tollens reagent, failing solution, silver mirror test, not useful to distinguish these. Why? Because Tollens reagent, failing solution, and a silver mirror test, these oxidizing agents are used to distinguish aldehydes and ketones, but here both are ketones. So definitely answer is what? Iodoform test. इसका आंसर है iodoform test. Now how to identify which aldehyde or which ketone or which alcohol gives iodoform test? Here both are ketones. Simply remember aldehydes and ketones. Remember this note, aldehydes and ketones having CH3 C double bond O linkage gives positive iodoform test. Gives positive iodoform test. यानी in acetone CH3C double bond O is there. In a diethyl ketone there is no CH3C double bond O. And acetone and diethyl ketone are distinguished by iodoform test. अभी ये iodoform test क्या है? I will explain. So reaction of acetone, explanation of this. A reaction of acetone with mixture of sodium hydroxide and iodine. So here a reaction of sodium hydroxide and iodine, it gives sodium hypoiodide. This is oxidizing agent, sodium iodide and H2. Now same sodium hypoiodide reacts with acetone. Number of alpha hydrogen atoms, here it is alpha, here it is alpha 6. So any 3 alpha hydrogen atoms either from this carbon or this carbon are replaced by iodine and formation of iodal. And here byproduct sodium hydroxide. In next step इसका अल्कलाइन हाइड्रोलिसिस होगा. Sodium hydroxide, this Ci3 and this H combines together and it gives CHI3, yellow colored iodoform, and sodium salt of this. So this is iodoform. So which aldehydes and ketones gives iodoform? aldehydes and ketones having CH3C double bond O. So answer is iodoform test. Next, diadash is the only carboxylic acid which gives positive silver mirror test. We know that only aldehydes gives a silver mirror test. This is a test of aldehydes. Aldehydes gives a positive silver mirror test. Here options are all about all carboxylic acids: acetic acid, formic acid, benzoic acid, propionic acid. Structure of acetic acid: formic acid, benzoic acid, and propionic acid. CH3, CH2, C double bond O, OH. Silver mirror test and a Tollens reagent test, it is for only aldehydic functionality. Aldehydes, which aldehyde, in aldehyde there is oxidizable hydrogen. So here, in formic acid, this functionality is there. Aldehydic, NaH, C double bond O, and we can say this is oxidizable hydrogen. So only formic acid gives a positive Tollens reagent test. Answer is formic acid, because for Tollens reagent test C double bond OH is required. Answer is formic acid. Next, a reaction of aldehyde ketone with HCN is an example of. You can take aldehyde or ketone. Aldehyde, HCN, acidic medium, H plus Cn minus. We know that this carbonyl group is nucleophilic. It is electron acceptor. So here addition of nucleophile to this, and here formation of cyanohydrine. And here addition of nucleophile and reaction is, here nucleophile is Cn minus. Nucleophile का addition होता है, here carbon oxygen double bond is there, and when multiple bond is there, addition type reaction. So here answer is nucleophilic addition. यहाँ पे substitution नहीं होगा, यहाँ पे addition होगा. Next, in reduction of aldehydes and ketones, carbonyl group converts into. This question is related to general reduction, not about Clemenson's and Wolf Kishner. So here it is related to reduction of carbonyl compounds, and we know that reduction, you can take nascent hydrogen or molecular hydrogen in catalytic reduction. Suppose here addition of nascent hydrogen, sodium amalgam, and water is the source of this. So one nascent hydrogen gets attached to this carbon and another to oxygen, and it converts into CHOH. So answer is B. Next, from the following, the compound which gives negative iodoform test. हमने अभी देखा aldehydes and ketones. What is criteria for this test? Aldehydes and ketones having CH3 C double bond O linkage gives positive iodoform test. In first, CH3 C double bond O is there, and it gives a positive iodoform test, isn't it? It gives positive. In second, in acetophenone, again there is a CH3 C double bond O, it gives positive iodoform test. In C, there is no CH3 C double bond O, there is a CH2 C double bond O, so not gives positive iodoform test, not reacts with mixture of sodium hydroxide and iodine. and in fourth there is again CH3C double bond O. So answer is third, the only option in which there is no CH3C double bond O. Next, अब ये रिएक्शन है आइडेंटिफाई एंड बी. इसमें रिएक्टेंट है बेंजोइक एसिड, यहाँ पे रिएक्टेंट है बेंजोइक एसिड. Reaction of benzoic acid with thionyl chloride, Darzon's reagent, in the presence of pyridine. It is very simple. When this carboxylic acid reacts with thionyl chloride in the presence of base pyridine, so this OH is replaced by Cl, यानी it gives acid chloride. यानी ए में एसिड क्लोराइड लिंकेज यानी सी डबल बॉन्ड OCl होना चाहिए, और बी इसका रिडक्शन है एडिशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ पलाडियम एंड बेरियम सल्फेट. दिस इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ व्हाट, रोजनमंड रिएक्शन. सो इसमें क्या होता है, ये जो क्लोरीन है वो हाइड्रोजन से रिप्लेस हो जाता है, यानी हियर इट गिव्स aldehyde. यानी कंपाउंड ए में देयर शुड बी फंक्शनैलिटी लाइक दिस, एंड बी में ए होना चाहिए, दैट इज aldehyde. सो आंसर इज सी. What is answer? Answer is C. Because A is benzoyl chloride, this OH is replaced by Cl, and Cl is replaced by hydrogen. So this is the correct answer. Next, Cannizzarose reaction is also known as. What is Cannizzarose reaction? Aldehydes and ketones with lack of alpha hydrogen atoms, when treated with base, strong base, it gives alcohol and a sodium salt of carboxylic acid. So here, suppose formaldehyde, a reaction of formaldehyde with 50% potassium hydroxide. So here formation of alcohol and potassium salt of formic acid. Now focus on this reaction. यहाँ पे carbonyl group has been converted into, here carbonyl group has been converted into CHOH, isn't it? For this methyl alcohol we can write like this. Here it is CHOH, these two hydrogen atoms as it is, यानी ये reduction है. In second reaction, there is the addition of oxygen in between carbon and hydrogen, यानी ये oxidation है, यानी this reaction is said to be redox reaction. So what is answer? Answer is a redox reaction. Next, the correct sequence in Cannizzarose reaction is, the correct sequence in Cannizzarose reaction is, here 4 different options are given. So we can solve this with the help of mechanism. इसका mechanism हम लिखेंगे. Just we have seen formaldehyde, a reaction of formaldehyde with 50% base, it gives methyl alcohol and potassium formate, it gives potassium formate. So here what is step number 1? Attack of nucleophile. यहाँ पे न्यूक्लियोफाइल कौन सा है? Here this carbonyl group is nucleophilic, 50% base, OH माइनस ए न्यूक्लियोफाइल है, न्यूक्लियोफाइल यहाँ पे अटैक हुआ, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ इंटरमीडिएट लाइक दिस. स्टेप नंबर 2, हाइड्राइड ट्रांसफर. ये हाइड्राइड क्या होता है? H माइनस इज सेड टू बी हाइड्राइड. नाउ रिएक्शन ऑफ दिस इंटरमीडिएट विद सेकंड मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ फॉर्मल्डिहाइड. Now here hydride transfer, see here, shifting of these two electrons towards carbon and formation of carbon oxygen double bond. Now this carbon is pentavalent, so breaking of this, and here formation of H minus. This is hydride. Now this hydride behave like a nucleophile, attack of nucleophile here, and here a transfer of hydride to this. It is like this, and here formation of here it is O minus. We have K plus because potassium hydroxide K plus and OH minus, and here it is a formic acid like this. Step number 3, exchange of proton. Exchange of proton. Here due to more electronegativity, so there is a fast exchange of proton, yani shifting of K plus to toward this carboxylic acid and proton to this O minus, and here formation of this is proton exchange step. So it gives ethyl alcohol and potassium salt of formic acid. So correct sequence, attack of nucleophile, here nucleophile is OH minus. In a second step, hydride transfer, here formation of hydride, then attack of this hydride and exchange of proton like this. So answer is attack of nucleophile, hydride transfer and exchange of nucleophile. This is first. Next, compound which do not give aldol condensation is, what is condition for aldol condensation? Aldehydes and ketones with alpha hydrogen atoms. Here condition is alpha hydrogen. Condition is alpha hydrogen. Acetone with respect to this carbonyl group, here alpha hydrogen atoms are there. It gives B trichloroacetaldehyde. So in this compound with respect to this carbonyl, this carbon is alpha carbon is there, but on alpha carbon all are chlorine atoms, there is no alpha hydrogen atom. So answer is trichloroacetaldehyde. This compound do not give aldol condensation. 14. Tollens reagent is, it is very simple, ammonical solution of silver nitrate. Ammonical solution of silver nitrate. Next, 15th. Here again we have to identify and B. In this reaction, A is benzaldehyde. This not A. First reactant is benzaldehyde, and second one is acetone. In benzaldehyde there is no alpha hydrogen atom. यहाँ पे alpha hydrogen नहीं है, and in case of acetone there are alpha hydrogen atoms. So this is an example of crossed aldol condensation. Crossed aldol condensation, in which one carbonyl compound do not have alpha hydrogen atoms and in second there are 6 alpha hydrogen atoms. So compulsory carbanion formation from acetone, इसका carbanion formation होगा and how this reaction takes place. For CH3 we can write like this: base, formation of carbanion attack. So here A is but again this is ketol like aldol, this is alpha beta hydroxy ketone, but still alpha hydrogen with alpha carbon with alpha hydrogen atoms are there. So again this ketol will react with another molecule of benzaldehyde, यानी same mechanism, यानी formation of diketol, this is diketol, this is A. Now decomposition of this, यहाँ का एक हाइड्रोजन और AOH डबल बॉन्ड बनेगा, रिमूवल ऑफ H2O, एग्जैक्टली सेम हियर, यानी फॉर्मेशन ऑफ B. एंड व्हाट इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ B? This is the structure of B. यानी what is answer? B. This is the answer. Next, a reaction of aldehydes and ketones with hydroxylamine is an example of. My answer is nucleophilic addition elimination. This is the answer. Explanation of this, I will take acetone, a reaction with hydroxylamine, so on nitrogen one lone pair of electron is there, and on oxygen two lone pair of electrons. So which end is the nucleophilic end? So answer is this nitrogen, because nitrogen is less electronegative compared to oxygen. So this nitrogen will donate pair of electron very easily. So addition of nucleophile here. Actually this reaction takes place in acidic medium. Mechanism is like this. I will write mechanism instead of this. एसिडिक मीडियम, इस ऑक्सीजन का प्रोटोनेशन होगा, now this oxygen is electron deficient. Now attack of nucleophile and addition of nucleophile here. So what is intermediate structure? Intermediate structure अभी AOH बनेगा. Here nitrogen is electron donor, so will acquire positive charge. Now acidic medium बाहर निकलेगा, क्योंकि ये नाइट्रोजन इलेक्ट्रॉन डिफिशिएंट है, ये ब्रेक होगा, ये हाइड्रोजन बाहर, यानी हियर फॉर्मेशन ऑफ intermediate like this. And now breaking of nitrogen single bond, shifting here, removal of this OH and removal of H2O, ये elimination होगा. ये एडिशन होगा and finally it gives ketoxine. And a type of reaction is addition, elimination. So answer is nucleophilic addition because a nucleophile hai. This is nucleophile. Next, a reaction of formaldehyde with ammonia gives, this is the application of a reaction of aldehyde. So answer is hexamethylene tetramine. A reaction is hexamethylene tetraamine. This is also said to be erotropin. You know what is structure of erotropin? ACH2. This is structure of erotropin. There is no carbon-carbon single bond. All are carbon-nitrogen single bonds. So answer is erotropin. That is hexamethylene tetramine. Next, in 18 reaction of benzene with propenyl chloride. This is Friedel-Crafts acylation, FC acylation. So definitely A is ethyl phenyl ketone. This is A. Now इसका Clemenson's reduction, zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl. And we know that in a Clemenson's reduction, carbonyl group converts into CH2, यानी N-propyl benzene. And answer is C. Next, Rosenmund reaction is useful for the conversion of, just we have seen, acid chloride into aldehyde. Addition of hydrogen, the presence of palladium and barium sulfate. So acid chloride to aldehyde, this is the right answer. A reaction of iodine in NaOH gives a precipitate with iodine and NaOH, yani iodoform. This is an example of iodoform. Now, option A, hexyl alcohol. It is like this. B, 3,3-dimethyl, 2-butanol. Here 4 carbon atoms are there. 2-butanol, 3,3-dimethyl. Third, 2,2-dimethyl, 3-butanol. And fourth, tertiary butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol. See here, actually option B and C. Actually third one is not correct. This is not correct because this is alcohol, and in alcohol we have to consider the position of what? OH. So strictly numbering from this side 1, 2, 3, 4, and both are, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, both are identical. These two are identical. isn't it? In case of aldehydes and ketones, compound having CH3C double bond O gives positive iodoform test. But in case of alcohol having CH3CHOH gives positive iodoform test. Here definitely answer is this alcohol, because here it is CH3CHOH, here it is CH3CHOH. जिस अल्कोहल में CH3CHOH होता है, that alcohol gives positive iodoform test. So answer is B. This is not correct IUPAC. So here it is B. Okay, the remaining MCQs we'll see in the next lecture. If any doubt, you can comment your doubt in comment box. Definitely I will back to you. Thank you.